In this video, I am going to show you how you can beautify your face in video. So if you want a beauty filter for videos, as you know, beauty video filters apps are increasing day by day. You can use beauty filter and retouch app for all your social videos. For example, you can use it for your TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube videos and more. We will use Filmora video editor for this. The link to this website is available in the video description. I like Filmora because it is user-friendly and easy to use software. I have been using Filmora for more than 5 years for my YouTube video editing. Filmora has all the features of editing. Filmora has video templates and animation templates. I love Filmora because it has features of go green screen and animations. So we will use Filmora for this. After installation, launch this app and you will see the interface like this. Here you need to click on create new project and here you need to import the video that you want to make beautiful. Here I click on it and you can import your video. Or they have stock media also. Here you can see different videos. I want to search face cam videos. Here I enter face. And here are the people videos. For example, I want to use this video. I click on it and import to my timeline. And now I play this. You can see his face. And now the next step is go to effects and click on utility. Here you can see the filter of beautify. You just need to click on it and it will apply on your video. Now you can see his face. You can see the result of before and after. You can drag it and apply to all the videos. You can also manually adjust this beautify filter. Just click on it and click edit properties. Here you can see there is many options in beautify. First one is retin. And next is smooth option. You can also apply it to 0 to 100%. And next is whiten part. Next is hairline. You can also focus on his hairs. And there is also option of whiten teeth. You can also apply this. And the next most important feature is face. You can shrink your face. If you have chubby face, you can shrink your face. Now just look at the video, the before and after result. And next is shrink jawline. You can also see this. You can also narrow your face. And you can see here are many options like chin length, mouth type, etc. And next option is eye. You can enlarge your eyes. Now you just focus on his eyes. And you can also round your eyes, eye distance. You can also correct the eye angle, brighten eye. You can see the eyes has brightened. You can also remove the dark circles. This is the very good options for many people who want to remove the dark circles. And next we have nose option. You can narrow nose. You can also adjust the nose length. And after making the changes, you just need to click on OK. Now you can see the result. Let me play the video. The video is not rendering yet, that's why it's not playing smooth. Once you are satisfied with the editing, you just need to click on export button. You can choose the file format like MP4, WMV, FLV, MKV, etc. Choose the file name, save path. You can also set the resolution and just click on export. The video will be exported and saved to your computer. So I think Filmora is the best video editing software, and the good thing is Filmora is working in all operating systems like Windows and Mac OS. So the link to this software is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.